Bro, you want to start calisthenics, but you don't know where to begin. Maybe you've seen guys on Instagram doing one-arm push-ups, human flags, muscle-ups, and it looks insane. And you think, I need a gym for that. I need equipment. I need money. You don't need any of that. I'm going to show you 8 exercises. No gym, no weights, no equipment, just your body, a small space, and the willingness to actually do the work. These 8 movements hit every single major muscle group. And if you do them 3 times a week for 30 days, you will not recognize what your body can do. Stay for number 8. Scientists literally ranked it as the most effective core exercise that exists. Most guys skip it. Big mistake. Let's go. What is calisthenics? First, what even is calisthenics? You've seen those guys doing crazy moves, human flags, planche push-ups, stuff that looks impossible. That's the advanced end. You don't start there. Nobody does. Calisthenics is bodyweight training. You are the weight. No machines, no barbells, no gym membership you pay for and never use. Every exercise is a compound movement. That means it works multiple muscle groups at the same time. One push-up hits your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core all at once. You are not isolating one muscle. You are building the whole system. And the question everyone asks, can you actually build real muscle with just body weight? Yes, your muscles cannot tell the difference between a dumbbell and your own body weight. Resistance is resistance. Tension is tension. And trust me, when you are doing these right, there is plenty of both. Now let's build the foundation. Exercise 1. Push-ups. Everyone thinks they can do this. Almost nobody does it right. The push-up is the foundation of every upper body calisthenics skill. Get this wrong and everything else suffers. Get it right and your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core all develop together. Here is what a real push-up looks like. High plank position. Hands slightly wider than shoulder width. Body one straight line from head to heels, not sagging in the middle like a broken bridge, not piked up like a tent. Lower down with your elbows at 45 degrees from your body, not flared out to the sides. Chest comes close to the floor. Then press back up. Squeeze the chest at the top, core tight the whole way through. Most guys either drop their hips or flare their elbows. Both are cheating yourself out of the actual benefit. Beginner, put your hands on a chair or couch. Higher hands makes it easier. Build the movement first. Advanced, diamond push-ups. Hands together under your chest. Your triceps will be begging for mercy. Exercise 2. Squats. The exercise that makes stairs feel personal the next day. Your legs are half your body. Most guys who skip the gym also skip leg training entirely. Don't be that guy. Squats build your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and core all at once. They also spike your metabolism because you are working the biggest muscle groups in your body. This is where serious calories burn. Stand feet shoulder width apart, toes slightly out, chest up, core tight. Push your hips back first, then bend your knees and lower down. Weight stays in your heels. Knees track over your toes. Go as low as you can while keeping your heels flat on the floor. Parallel or below parallel is the goal. Half reps equal half results. Advanced, jump squats. Explode upward, land soft. Go right back down. Your legs will hate you. Exercise 3. Glute bridges. The most underrated exercise most men never do. Here's the truth. Most guys don't want to hear. Weak glutes are behind most lower back pain, most knee problems, and most athletic plateaus. Your glutes are the biggest, most powerful muscle group in your body, and most men never train them directly. Glute bridges fix that. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat on the floor, brace your core. Squeeze your glutes and drive your hips upward through your heels. At the top, squeeze hard for 2 seconds. Don't just bounce through the movement. Lower with control. Repeat. Advanced, single leg glute bridge. One leg up, one leg working. Your glutes will expose every weakness immediately. Exercise 4. The plank. If your hips are up in the air, you're doing it wrong. You've done planks before. You've probably also done them wrong. Hips too high, core not engaged, just surviving on the floor and calling it fitness. Get into a push-up position but rest on your forearms, elbows directly under your shoulders, body in one straight line. Brace your core hard. Squeeze your glutes. Don't let your hips sag. Don't let them rise. Hold until your form breaks. The second your hips drop, you're done. Quality beats time every single time. Advanced, plank shoulder taps. Keep your hips completely still while tapping opposite shoulders. Your core will light up instantly. Do you think bodyweight training builds the same muscle as lifting weights? Yes or no in the comments. I read every single one, and my answer might actually surprise you. Exercise 5. Reverse lunges. This exposes the imbalance your squats have been hiding. Most guys don't realize one leg is stronger than the other. One side is carrying the workload. That's why one knee hurts more. One hip feels tighter. One side of your back aches. Reverse lunges fix this. Stand feet hip width apart. Step one foot back and lower yourself until your front thigh is parallel to the floor. Back knee hovers just above the ground. Push through the front heel to come back up. Your weaker side will expose itself immediately. That's the point. Advanced, hold the bottom position for 3 seconds before standing up. No momentum, pure strength. Exercise 6. Mountain climbers. You will hate these. They will work anyway. Mountain climbers hit your core, shoulders, shoulders, and cardio all at the same time. One movement, maximum output. Start in a plank position. Bring one knee toward your chest, then quickly switch. Keep alternating. Hips stay low. Core tight. Don't bounce around like crazy. Beginner, slow it down and focus on form. Advanced, go as fast as possible while keeping perfect control. Your lungs will understand immediately. Exercise. 7. Superman. Hold. Train the back you can't see. It holds everything together. Every pushing movement works the front of your body. But if you only train the front, your posture starts collapsing forward, which, honestly, already happened to most people watching this. The Superman hold fixes that. Lie face down, arms extended in front, legs straight behind you. Now, lift your arms, chest, and legs off the floor at the same time. Squeeze your glutes, squeeze your back, hold for 2 to 3 seconds, then lower slowly with control. This builds your lower back, upper back, glutes, and hamstrings. It also fixes posture and builds the foundation for advanced pulling movements later. Don't skip it because it looks simple. It is not. Exercise. 8. Bicycle crunches. Scientists ranked this number 1. Most guys still skip it. The American Council on Exercise tested 13 different AB exercises. Bicycle crunches came out on top, above crunches, above leg raises, above everything. It hits both your abs and obliques at the same time. Full core engagement. Lie on your back, hands lightly behind your head. Lift your shoulders off the floor. Extend one leg while bringing the opposite knee toward your chest. Rotate your torso so your elbow moves toward the opposite knee. Then switch sides. The important part is the rotation. Slow it down, feel every rep. If you're flying through these and feeling nothing, you're doing it wrong. Last thing, and I genuinely want to fight about this in the comments, is the gym actually necessary? Or can bodyweight training alone build a seriously strong physique? Not what influencers say, not what you read online. What do you actually think from your own experience? Drop it below, because this debate never dies. You now have 8 exercises, a workout plan, and 30 days. The only thing standing between you and results is whether you actually start. Not tomorrow, not Monday, today. Which of these 8 exercises are you most scared of? Drop it in the comments. And in 30 days, I want your update. Now go.